get the rest, get us down now. Yeah. Big rock right here. Yeah. The step right here. Yep. Oh yeah. Alright, so from here on the way down, it's gonna be just as easy as in coming up. So the moment you don't feel comfortable to balance, you just sit down and do the crab walk, okay? Yep. Don't try to feel brave.
Want me to extend some fingers?
No, not today. Not today. So close. this way. Here, you sit down, okay? Slowly, not too deep. I know, Liz. We're coming back. Sounds crazy. Just sit down, it's much easier. You can wait for me here and then I'll go down so that way I can record you, okay? So it just go like this, eh? You sit down. All right. All right, good job. So here, it's gonna be a little bit different now. We're not gonna be jumping, but what we will do, that once you get close to where the water is on the pool, you go. You go like straight down. Straight down, just go like this and you go straight down, okay? Do not shoot yourself. Because a little bit more to the front, there's like a rock.
Okay.
So I will go first and then I will show you where the rock is, okay? Go like this. Right here. From here, you can go down like this. Woo! The rock is right here.
That's awesome.
Melanie, Manaven! Then right here you could get a little good example of how a cave forms. Watch.
Oh, wow.
So you have like the stalactites coming down, but that's because of the water dripping down, right?
Amazing.
Yep. And then like if you were to have something like this in a cave, from here you will gotta be getting cave pearls.
Okay.
And cave pearls is gonna be like some little balls, but very shiny and also very smooth, something like the ones that you find in the mussels or in the clams.
It's incredible.
Yeah, it is, right? It's so awesome.
Thank you.
Before I fall more in love with it. It's so good.
That is amazing.
Yes, but you would get yourself too nervous. Like I know,
Like you know her already.
it's easy, but you would freak yourself out.
Yeah, because the thing is that your mind